Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we are going to look at something really important, which is the shift of demand curve. You might wondering, why will the demand curve move? Well, there is always a reason, just like how a tree won't move if there is no wind. A demand curve won't shift unless something changes in the demand itself. A shift in the demand curve happens when the price stays at the same but the quantity demanded change. This shift can be happen in two ways. Demand increases, which is demand curve shift rightwards, or demand decreases, which is our demand curve will shift to the left. Let's look at each one clearly. Okay, let's see. The price of product stays at 60 ringgit. Okay, at the first, the people will buy 500 units. But later, even though the price is still at 60 ringgit, people now buy at 600 units. That's an increase in demand. This means more people are willing and able to buy the product at the same price. So, the demand shift to the right. Okay, we show this on the graph by drawing a new demand curve and labeling it as a D1. Let me show you manually how to plot the graph. Okay, so this is our axis for price and quantity demanded. Okay, for example, at 60 ringgit, okay, kalau based on this original demand curve, D0, at 60 ringgit, the quantity demanded is 500 units. With the same price, suddenly, the quantity increased to 600 units. Okay, this new point will create new demand curve and we label it as a D1 and arrow. So our demand curve shift rightwards. The demand increase by increasing in the quantity demanded, but the price is unchanged. Okay, now imagine at the same price of 60 ringgit. Okay, at first people want to buy 500 units, but later on they only want to buy 400 units, even though the price has not changed. This is called a decrease in demand, which is a fewer buying. Okay, a fewer people are buying at the same price, so the demand curve shift to the left. We label the new curve as D1. Okay, if we draw it manually, y-axis as a price, x-axis as quantity demanded. Okay, so this is our original demand curve, D0. At 60 ringgit, the quantity demanded is 500 units. Okay, but suddenly the quantity dropped at 400 units at the same price. On our new point, we plot the downward demand curve labeled as D1, and the arrow shows that our demand curve shift leftwards. Okay, so you need to remember that demand decrease mean even the price is unchanged, quantity demanded are decreases. Okay, this shift has nothing to do with the price. The price stays the same. What change is the quantity demanded, and that causes the demand curve to move either to the leftward or to the rightwards. So in the next video, I will explain the reason why the demand curve shift. We will explore what factors cause people to buy more or less even the price does not change. Thanks for watching.